Before we start, quick question. What do you think is the answer to 8 divided by 2 times 8 minus 4 in parentheses? At first glance, it looks super simple, right? Some people might just jump in and say, 8 minus 4 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 8 divided by 8 is 1. Sounds neat, even confident, but oh no, that's not correct. The reason? The order of operations. Without it, math would be chaos. That's why we follow PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division from left to right, addition and subtraction from left to right. Now let's solve it properly. We have 8 divided by 2 times 8 minus 4 in parentheses. First, we handle the parentheses. 8 minus 4 equals 4. So now the expression becomes 8 divided by 2 times 4. Ooh, notice how this already changes things. Next, multiplication and division have equal priority, so we go left to right. 8 divided by 2 equals 4, and now the expression becomes 4 times 4. Almost there. Finally, 4 times 4 gives us 16. That's it. The correct answer is 16, not 1. See how following the order of operations carefully makes all the difference? Now here's a challenge for you. Try 12 divided by 3 times 6 minus 2 in parentheses. Take your time, go left to right, and write your answer in the comments. Don't rush. It's a perfect way to test your PEMDAS skills. If you enjoyed this trick, hit that like button, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's keep solving tricky problems together.